Hello my dear friends, I Aishwarya again welcome you all to my channel Jazzy Jewels. So wedding season is there in India and everybody loves to wear hair accessories during the wedding season, and nowadays artificial hair accessories are very popular because normal flowers get dull very easily and quickly and they have to replace it very often. So to avoid that, everybody choose flower accessory. So I thought, why not to make a flower accessory that is a hair brooch. It can be easily used for our upcoming wedding. So here I am with a beautiful tutorial of this shiny and elegant and beautiful brooch here. So after watching this tutorial, you will definitely love to make this brooch at home, and also will definitely love to wear this in your upcoming wedding festivities. It can be anyone's wedding, as brothers, sisters, or anyone in the family. Watch this video till the end, and if you like this video, do give the thumbs up. If you are new here, I request you to subscribe to my channel so that we can meet on a regular basis to make amazing jewelry making videos like this in the future. And now let's get started. So the material required is jardoshi, this wire which is used for making brooch, satin fabric. I am taking satin because it has a shine. You can choose any color or any texture if you want to. Green tape, plier, cutter, and plier, scissor. These are golden beads, Fevibond glue, crystal beads. So first of all we will make petals. For the same I am taking this satin cloth, and I'll take this jardoshi and I will cut a small part of the same like this, and I'll insert it here in this. So once you inserted the jardoshi in the wire, leave some space here and then wrap it. You can cut this extra part. Okay. And so these flowers are not in round shape like this, but it has an angle over here in the end. So we'll press it firmly here, and now again we will open this from this last end like this. Okay, so as you can see, we have formed this correctly. So similarly we have to have 5 petals. So I have already made them. Now with the help of Fevibond glue, we'll stick them together. You can try using fabric glue also, but this glue works best and it also sticks very fast. So for the same reason I'm taking this. And I have also seen this glue used by one who has a shop at my place. So that lady also used this glue only. So I prefer this only whenever I am making a brooch. Okay, so I have added this. Now we'll keep this for drying and then we will cut it in the leaf shape. Make sure to press them. So this has dried up properly and we'll cut them now to make fair petals. So I'll quickly cut them and come back to you. So guys, these are the petals I have cut in fine shape. Now we will join them all together. So I am adding them one by one. So there are so many ways which you can use to wrap the petals. I'll show them in the upcoming videos wherein I'll be making more videos of brooch. Okay, so this is one. Okay, so we have made a flower. Now so you can observe the flowers also have a stigma. So we will make that one. For this I am taking this jardoshi again and I'll cut it in two. I'll have two equal shapes. Okay, I'm also taking this 30 gauge wire, these beads and crystal beads. So I'm taking this 30 gauge wire. I'll insert one jardoshi first. And I'll add one golden bead, one log bead and one golden bead, and again I'll add this jardoshi in the end. Okay, so now leave some space here and wrap it here in the end. So go on wrapping to form a shape like this, and now cut the extra part and this attach this stigma here. No, before that first make a round of the stigma like this and add this one here to this flower. So a beautiful flower is ready. So for this brooch we need 5 flowers like this. So I have already made 4 of them. Now we need one more stigma, 2 more stigmas to both the sides. So we'll do that. For the same, I'm taking this jardoshi again and take 2 sections of this, and the same way I made a stigma before, I'll do it now. That is, I will add it first here. Then I'll add one golden bead, one crystal bead and one golden bead, and again add jardoshi. Okay, so leave some space here and wrap this one. Okay, wrap this part here. cut this. So to make this end stigma, we need 4 more like this. So I have already made this 4 here. Now we will add this, combine this together, and we'll join them together. Okay. And spread them. So we need 2, so I already made 1 more. Now we will add this to any 2 flowers which we will be using at the end. If you want, you can use plier to wrap them correctly. These 2 flowers we will use in the end, and the rest will come in the middle. Okay, so this will be the sequence. Now we will finally wrap this one. So I am taking this wire, and in the middle I will add first jardoshi here, this green tape here. So I am taking a small section of this green tape, and I'll wrap it here. Look carefully how I am wrapping. This green tape has a stickiness, so it easily gets attached here. We just have to wrap it very carefully and with correct finishing. Okay, now we will wrap this whole section where we have applied green tape, and wrap it here. Okay, now I am again taking a little bit bigger section of the green tape, and I'll wrap it firstly in the start. Do it very correctly. Make sure that it won't leave. Now take a flower with these stigmas and wrap this wire to this flower, and I'm going to cut this extra dori, extra chain, extra wire, and make sure to stick it here. And with the help of plier, I'll make sure that this wire here has attached very properly to this our main wire. And now carefully wrap jardoshi, and we'll come to know where this wire is coming out. So again, with the help of plier, make a pressure on the same, and wrap it correctly. Wrap the green tape twice or thrice if you want to. Okay, so this is done. The first flower has wrapped. Now we will take another one. Okay, and now I'm going to cut this extra part from this flower. Remember not to cut this wire, otherwise our mehnat will go away, our efforts will. Again we have to make this brooch. Okay, and with the help of wrap this one. So in this way we have to wrap all of them, so I'll do that and come back to you. Okay, so guys, see, I have added the wrap this brooch very beautifully, and it's looking so elegant and beautiful. I'm just loving it. Now as we have made a loop here, similarly we have to make a loop to this side also for the same. Now I'll cut one wire from this, and I'll wrap this I'll wrap this green tape to some extent like this till the time I have sufficient space to make a loop. And now I'll wrap this wire here in the end. Okay, don't remove jardoshi, don't remove green tape again. I don't know why I'm saying jardoshi, really don't know why. And now wrap this leftover green tape to this end. Okay, and once this is done, it will be placed here. So as this green tape has a stickiness, it will stick way over there, no need to worry. Okay, so with this our beautiful brooch is ready. Finally. I hope that you find this video helpful. If so, please go ahead and like it. Share it with your like-minded friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can also put your valuable comments in the comments box and let me know what would you like to see next. Thank you so much for watching my video till the end. See you next time. Until then, this is Aishwarya signing off.